Have you always wanted to learn how to draw cartoons, comic books? Well, this is the class for you. Hey there, everybody. I'm Mr. Doobie, comic book artist and publisher, and I'm here to tell you about the new comic book and cartoon intro drawing class. If you've never drawn before or draw a little bit and want to learn to hone your skills into becoming a comic book artist, we take you through the whole gamut. We're going to start by drawing your very own character. That's right, you're going to learn how to draw a character from head to toe. We're going to learn how to shift the bodies around, make the faces turn around, expressions, every kind of expression you can think of, hairstyles, eye styles, everything you can think of when drawing. You're going to learn how to do it with your own character. We're going to learn how to draw animals. We're going to learn backgrounds, foregrounds, perspective. We're going to draw shadows, how shadows work. We're going to do all that. We're going to lay out a comic book panel. We're going to create a comic book cover, and we are going to finish everything off by creating your very own comic book page. So if you want to take the plunge and get started, check out this class. And don't forget what I always like to say, keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get.